Alright, I'm here with Slab Shack BBQ. They're going to walk us through the process of winning a pork competition. Forky, what do you, what's this process? Take two. What are you doing right now?
I'm rubbing the meat.
Rubbing your meat?
I'm rubbing my smoky flavor. I mean, cumin wouldn't hurt, but you're gonna get, if I was cooking these on a propane grill or somewhere in the oven, which I would never do, then you'd put lots of cumin and stuff like that in it. It's got cayenne pepper and chili powder.
All right, fire started. What time is it?
It is about 11:19.
Nice.